In 1869, Mendeleev organized the first periodic table by atomic size.
Hi there. I'm here to tell you about metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Metals are usually shiny, very dense, and only melt at high temperatures. As for nonmetals, very dull, and they don't conduct heat and electricity and always melt at low temperatures. As for metalloids, can be shiny or dull, and the shape is easily changed. It's like metals and nonmetals when they have a baby. Thank you. Hi, I'm here to tell you about ionic size, the size of an ion. A cation is always positively charged, never negatively charged, always positively charged. As for an anion, that is extremely different, always negatively charged, never positively charged, always negatively charged. There you go. Here's an interesting fact that you probably didn't know, and I like. The country of Argentina is named after the element silver, because argentum is Latin for silver. Awesome!
Here's interesting fact number dos. Although we have helium on Earth like everywhere, it was first discovered while observing the sun.
Hey, Miss Smiley, do you want to learn about electronegativity? Because I sure do, and I bet you the rest of my classmates do too. Electronegativity reflects the ability to all of electrons in a chemical bond. It also has no units. That's very surprising, don't you think? It cannot be directly measured, which I thought was interesting because mostly anything can be directly measured. Huh. The odds, they're not too swell.
Atomic radius. Basically, you have one nucleus here, you have another one here. Atomic radius is half the distance between the two nuclei. Atomic radius on the periodic table, it increases going this way, increases going down, which means francium, the big one, is the best one out of them all. Ionization energy is the amount of energy required to take electrons away from another atom. It's another name for stealing stuff. Basically, on the periodic table, it increases going up, increases going this way. The periodic table has 4 blocks, S, D, P, and F. Each of those letters represents how many orbitals it has. S has 1, P has 3, D has 5, and F has 7. The S block of the periodic table includes groups 1 and 2, and also including helium. Groups P, or block P, is including groups 13 through 18. Block D includes groups 3 through 12, and block F is elements 58 through 71 and elements 90 through 103.